This video is good through February 28th, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. This is the weekend edition. And the markets continue to show strength ending out the week here. We had AIG posting steep losses. We also have the US dollar dropping as of Friday. And Friday also came out with better than expected GDP report. Consumer confidence is down, home sales are down, and there is some huge shorting taking place by hedge funds on the euro. Very interesting to see that. But anyway, here we are looking at the S&P daily. And we come down, hit some major support, we bounce up, hit resistance, and this week was the week that I thought would just be a bloodbath. If you go back to last week's weekend edition, you would hear me talking that way. Sure enough, we drop, and but not by much. I'll tell you, Wednesday we rallied back in the face of this down leg, because I thought this down leg would head right on down, finding support at these levels. And on Thursday we came down. I thought, there it is, we're breaking down. We hit the 20-day moving average, came right back up, giving us a hammer. I went bullish at that time, and I thought we had a really good chance of breaking out on Friday, and we started to, came back down. So it was kind of a break-even day for the most part on Friday. On semi-lackluster volume, but after all, Blizzard was smashing the Northeast yet again. Sorry to all you out there that are digging yourselves out again. But the thing that has my attention on the S&P daily is we did close above 1100. We closed here at 1105 area, and we are still finding resistance at the 50-day moving average. What I would like to see here is a rally above that 50-day moving average, and also this line coming across. Let me get you a beat on that. That line puts us right at 1110, so I'd want to be over 1110 also. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly, we drop, we pop here, and then for the week I really thought this was going to be a one that we were going to close down and from there break down, but instead we come back up and showing some strength at this moment. But we have some stuff to get through. It'd be interesting to see what next week brings us. Next week is going to be a real crucial week to see how things play themselves out. And let's also look at the monthly. Monthly, we come up. I thought we were going to start breaking down for the month, but so far we're going to round out the month pretty bullish. So if we stay above these moving averages and we just chop around here, we'll be building a base on a bigger time frame of a month, and that would be quite bullish. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ monthly, right here, we come here, we had this monster run. Now we're just chopping around. Last month, very bearish. However, we do have a lower high and a lower low, but we're acting pretty bullish. And for the month, we are above the 50-month moving average, which is pretty bullish. So we have some significant resistance still at this around 2260 to 2270. Big resistance that it has to get through, and we'll just see if the markets can do that. Now on the weekly, we have this pullback below the 20-week moving average, and we blast over the last couple of weeks. And right here, we're showing strength, starting to make this higher high, higher low. It's like it's wanting to head up. So this was kind of a nothing week that just didn't show us too much of what's happening, other than the fact that we did not break down. Because we didn't break down, I am starting to lean towards the bullish side here. We have this big run on the daily, sideways, and if we blow this up on how we ended on Friday, we closed above the 50-day moving average right there. looking pretty solid. And I won't go and show you, but I'll tell you about it. Services on the sector rotation did the best, and financials held up very well for the week. Utilities got hammered, so did basic materials, and technology was near the bottom also. You can see that on my notes there at Free Trading Videos in my comment section. So speaking of that, make sure you leave your comments. We love to get those. And also, make sure you're not over trading, and never force a trade. Let me speak to you as a mentor, as an educator. You want to make sure when you're trading out there, you don't over trade, and make sure that you don't force a trade. If you cannot articulate why the odds are significantly stacked in your favor on that trade, if you can't do that, bypass the trade. You're trading with emotion. Don't let those emotions drive that trade. Don't let your opinion drive that trade. You have to be able to have your rules set in place, and those rules have to be quantified, and on top of those quantified rules, you want to make sure that you can validate each and every trade that you're in. So that's just a little snippet of things that we go over in our mentoring session, and for those that we will be mentoring tomorrow, Sunday and Monday, looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time. Get plenty of rest tonight and get ready to take copious notes. So safe trading to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of Free Trading Videos, and just to let you know, we are on the tail end of a brand new website. This website is going to rock your world. I'm excited about it. It is awesome, awesome, awesome. Great things to come. And listen, if any of you are superstar traders and you are very well educated in option trading, futures trading, or forex trading, shoot me an email, d7@freetradingvideos.com. We're looking for other associates to bring on to do videos. Take care.